The lymph system is our main immune system. It's a system that removes acids from 100 trillion cells through to the lymph nodes and through to the kidney. Think of the lymph system as a sewer system or a river, and think of the lymph nodes as septic tanks. The lymph system takes acids or metabolic waste from your cells through to the lymph nodes, where it's eaten by bacteria and turned to a lesser acid, and then taken to your kidneys, where it's eliminated. The problem occurs when your lymph is not moving properly. This is due to the foods you've been eating, the animal products, the cooked starches. These are acidic foods that turn the river stagnant. Like any stagnant river, it starts to become acidic, and this acidity will breed pathogens, parasites, fungus. Okay, it will also affect the kidneys. The kidneys stop working because of the animal products, the cooked starches have been eaten. They will stop filtering properly, which means the lymph system will not be cleaned properly. The sewer system, the river will not be cleaned properly, and which in turn will mean that the acids from the 100 trillion cells have nowhere to go, so to burn organ, tissue, and glands. Okay, the lymph system is in between every cell. It's there to buffer acids, metabolic waste, and carry those acids to the lymph nodes, to the kidneys, where it's eliminated. So the lymph system does not move like the blood. It doesn't have a pump. It only moves when the diet is correct, which is an 100% fruit diet. It moves effectively when the diet is alkaline, because alkaline foods, they hydrate, they keep things fluid, whereas acidic food dehydrate and keep things hard. So when you continue eating animal products, cooked starches, or acidic food, the river eventually is going to get hard, it's not going to move properly, and it's going to breed pathogens, and it's going to cause the lymph system to become acidic. An acidic lymph system will start damaging tissue, organ, and glands. An acidic lymph system will turn the body acidic, and this is known as acidosis. Acidosis is the cause of man's ills. Okay, to fix the lymph system, we also have to pay attention to the kidneys. We have to get the kidneys to work properly and filter. This is because the kidneys, again, drain acids from the lymph system and keep the lymph system alkaline. So we need to use herbs for the kidneys. We need to use herbs for the lymph system. We also need to do some dry fasting and stay on a 100% fruit diet, and avoid all foods that are causing the kidneys and the lymph system to not function properly. This will turn the lymph system alkaline, and in turn will be able to heal the organ, tissue, and glands, and you're going to get healthy. For instance, if you have acid in the brain due to the stagnant lymph system, you're going to have brain issues. If you have acids in the lungs, you're going to have lung issues. If you have acids in the kidneys, you're going to have kidney issues. It's the lymphatic system not being able to remove acids, so these acids will affect that particular tissue and gland. To fix it, you just need to remove the acids to get the lymph system moving, flowing, to get the kidneys working properly, and then those acids will stop burning the organ, tissue, and glands, and you're not going to have a problem. So how do we alkalize the lymph system? Well, we go on 100% fruit diet. The fruit diet is the least obstructive food man can eat, and it's the food that man was designed to eat. It takes very little digestion, it's high nutrition, high energy, it keeps the blood thin, it gets the lymph system moving properly, and it just alkalizes the body.